Hi everyone, in this video I will show you 10 CapCut effects you didn't know existed. So I will be showing you at least 10 CapCut effects that might help you for your editing. Number one is what we call isolate one color. All you have to do is to import or add the video and then go to adjustment. Here what you're going to do is you have to set all the saturation into 0 from orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, and just choose one color. So I'm gonna pick this color red and I'm going to increase the saturation of color red since the apple is color red here. Well, the isolated color cinematic effect, also known as color pop or selective color, is a visual technique in which only one or a few colors are retained in a scene. Number two, call out text animation. All you have to do is to add the video, add a text here. For example, let's go, or everything is up to you. Now you can add animation. You can also add 3D effects, so everything is up to you. Just place the text above the car or the object here, same as what I'm doing right now. And then after that, make sure that the text has the same length with the video. Now go to animation, go to tracking, and then select this motion to track. Toggle on both of this. And then after that, tap this start. Wait as it is processing. And here is the result. And this is how you create call out text animation. Number three, add blur object. All you have to do is to add and then drag the video here. Now what you're going to do is you have to go to effects and then look for the blur effect, which is the second one. Okay, drag this to the video, should be the same length. Up to you if you want to increase the blur effect. Export this video with the blur version, and then after that, delete, add the original video again. Now add the video with the blur effect at the top of the original video. Now you have to click the video with the blur effect. Go to video. Now look for the mask effect and then select that shape. For example, the circle shape to cover that specific object. For example, if you want to make the face of this guy blur, then you just have to place this circle object to the face of this guy. And basically, that's how you blur an object here on your video. You just have to add the blur effect and then go to mask, go to that specific or tap that specific shape, and then place it anywhere on the video. Let's just say on the face of the person or a specific part of the video. Okay, so CapCut effect on number four. Number four is this what we call add or change effect. So I have added two videos here and I'm going to change the upper part of the video. Let's just say the sky view of the video. So let me drag this first video right here and the other one. Now you're going to tap the first video and then put it above, go to mask, go to rectangle, and then try to adjust it. Like you should see the grass view only, and the upper part is the sky view. Now, to make it not so obvious, what you're going to do next is you have to go to basic, you have to scroll down, look for blend, and then tap that specific blend effect that you think might be a good combination or might be a good result. As you can see, it looks like they are not a combined video. Okay, so that's how you add or change something here, like add a video and then change it on CapCut. Now, the next CapCut effect that you didn't know exists is this what we call text behind. So you just have to add a video, add a text, go to 3D effects. This is what it looks like. And then you have to adjust the text same length with the video. This is what it looks like. Export this. And then after that, you have to delete and then place it again. I mean, import and then place it again, and also add the original video. Now go to video, go to cut out, scroll down, and then look for auto cut out. And the result should be like this. So when you tap play, as you can see, the text is behind the person. Feel free to adjust the video. Number six. Text highlights. So, text highlighting plays an important role in both digital and print media by emphasizing key information. And you can do it inside the CapCut. All you have to do is to add the video. I mean, you have to duplicate it and then tap video. Now go to mask and then just choose the specific shape that you want. And then after that, increase the feather effect and then look for that specific color that you want to choose here to highlight that specific text. As easy as that. So that is the CapCut effect number 6. Now let's move on to number 7. This is what we call the fireworks effect. So all you have to do is to add two videos here. Tap the firework video, go to blend, and then select brighten. Now place the fireworks effect anywhere on the video, and this is the result. As easy as that. CapCut effect number 8, split screen. So all you have to do is to add as many videos that you want. For example, 3 videos. And then you have to go to mask, select that specific shape that you want. So for example, this is my first video here. Let me drag the second video. Okay, and it should have the same length with the first video. Place it over here, but actually everything is up to you if you want to change the shape into circle. But this is how you basically do the split screen in CapCut. You could also add some effects or you can also add some blend effect here. Everything is up to you. But as you can see, the result is just like this and see how wonderful it is. Now let's go to CapCut effect number 9. This is what we call the floating effect, and it's very simple. Just add a video here and then go to effects and then look for play pendulum. But before dragging it to the video, tap the video first, right click, and then look for create compound clip. Now go to effects again and then drag the play pendulum here. And this is the result. Now feel free to adjust the effect of this play pendulum. Everything is up to you. But actually this is the result. And that's how easy it is to create a floating effect here on CapCut. And for our last CapCut effect that you didn't know existed, the video in text. So all you have to do is to simply add a black background first. So you have to go to stickers and then add a black background here. Feel free to adjust. And then after that, once you've added the black background, and then you can now add a text, for example, like and subscribe. So everything is up to you, but for this tutorial, let me use this, like and subscribe. Now feel free to add some animation or you can add a 3D effect to make it a more fantastic. Change the font, okay? And once you have found that specific result that you want, then what you're going to do now is to just simply add the video, place it on the top, tap the video, go to basic, go to blend, and then choose darken. You can change the video if you want. Everything is up to you. For example, if you don't like the result, then you can import another video again and then drag it here. Make sure that the video is on the top of the text. Go to blend again and then choose darken, and this is the result. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. If you want us to create more tutorials, just comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.